So I just got back from the Midwest RepRap Festival a few weeks ago in Goshen, Indiana. The Midwest RepRap Festival is a fantastic event celebrating the early origins of 3D printing in its RepRap phase, meeting creators and makers from all over the globe, seeing what they created with their 3D printers. Well, what exactly goes on at these RepRap festivals? I'm about to show you in just a few short minutes. And there you have it. That was just a little taste of what my experience was like at this year's Midwest RepRap Festival. What was your favorite memory of the Midwest RepRap Festival? Let me know down in the comments below. And if I ended up meeting you at the Midwest RepRap Festival, let me know down in the comments as well. I'd love to see your face here in the channel if I met you in person. If you all enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this at future RepRap festivals, like the East Coast RepRap Festival or even the Rocky Mountain RepRap Festival next year, definitely go hit that like button down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so, and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post more content about these upcoming RepRap festivals. And who knows, I might just see you there in person. But that being said, that's going to wrap up this short video. Thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate all your support. I'll catch you at the next RepRap Festival. And until next time, keep doing it big.
Try this again.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh.